Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a man with white hair in white clothes by Sasatoya, a pack of Heroine generator parts for MZ by Gconsoft and Komodo Co Limited, some food and kitchenware icons by Mokemo and Gotcha Gotcha Games, an MZ plugin by Mokuse Pengi that displays the battle scene in Pseudo-3D. This is pretty cool. Next we have animated Manhole sprites by Gothic Void, and some sprite sets of doctors and nurses by Kuro Maroko, and lastly, Tilesets of modern Japan, plus a separate expansion pack by Dorapika and Gotcha Gotcha Games. That is all for today. Now go add Pseudo-3D to your battles.